Well, shares of Tesla moving slightly lower following its annual shareholders meeting last night. Along with plans to move its headquarters from California to Austin, Texas, CEO Elon Musk also noted a delayed production timeline for its highly anticipated Cybertruck, as well as the global chip shortage impact on the company. Shares are at $790, down about 0.4%. What all this could mean for the stock here going forward, let's bring in Craig Irwin from Roth Capital Partners. Craig, I understand you have quite a low price target on Tesla compared to where it's trading now. Explain why you are estimating it should be $150. It's way lower than $790.
Yeah. So, what's the market cap now? Something like, $770 billion. That's equivalent to basically the sum of the entire rest of the automotive sector. To be buying it here, you have to believe that there's all sorts of new opportunities and new ventures that are going to make a lot of money for the company off on the horizon, and nobody's going to be successful in EVs. I think that that's a very aggressive assumption. I think Tesla's a great company, but I saw a survey of chief investment officers not too long ago showed that 70% of them would much rather invest in General Motors and Ford as a way to play electric vehicles than Tesla. And then, frankly, I've been saying for a long time, I think people will end up being much better off in small cap. There's some great companies there. Some of them have had troubles, fairly normal standard practice, actually, when these companies come out. There's a lot of learning, but there could be some very big long-term winners, just like Tesla's become.
Why then do you have the stock rated a neutral?
Because I firmly believe that this is actually a good company and there's specific levers they can pull for growth. The first of those is India. I've been talking about India for almost a year now, or actually maybe even a few months more than a year. I understand Tesla has actually gone down to select a facility there. They've not announced it yet. There have been sort of hints and tweets along the way from Mr. Musk that it's coming. India is going to be just as important as China. It's going to be a couple 100,000 vehicles a year in not too many years. Second thing is the mini car. Mini cars are a fantastic fit for the European market, probably the India market, and maybe even China as well. That's a vehicle that we expect not too far off on the horizon. I wouldn't be surprised if it was made in Germany. Those two single levers can actually give Tesla quite a lot of gas as far as deliveries units over the next couple of years. Would I short it on that? No. I've been saying for a while that I think the one thing that pushes this sort of over the top or pulls the blush off the rose is Apple. Apple's going to launch, I believe, in 2024. So, sometime in 2023, we should start getting data points on that.